So I picked up a new shower curtain from the shop team. I know sometimes when you pick these things up, you can't always tell the quality of them, what it's going to be like. So I thought I'd show you. Now it comes in loads of different colours and there's loads of different patterns. I think the grey one was really nice and super popular as well. In there you do get some shower curtain clips, which is a really nice bonus. I've already got metal ones, but if you haven't got any, it's good to know that you got some clips. And of course you do get the curtain itself. It has the eyelets at the top, which are reinforced with metals, so they're not going to cause the curtain to fray or snag or anything like that, which is really nice. I think also it helps it to hang nicer if you've got that little bit reinforced at the top as well. I intentionally went for white because my tiles in my bathroom are black, so I wanted as much light as possible to come through. So the thickness of the curtain itself was quite important to me. Can you see through it? No, you can't. So if you are sharing a bathroom and someone does come in, don't worry, you won't be able to see through. And just generally looking at the edges, it seems to be really well made. There's no snags or dinks or anything removed along the sides here. So it seems to be really well made. And the bottom's really nice and smooth as well. The good thing about these is you can wash them, so you can pop them through the washing machine and just hang them back up again and they'll dry nice and clean. So it's time to put it up. And here we are. What an amazing difference. We had quite a dark one on here for winter. I think this looks so much better. I've got my metal clips up there and I think it looks nice. Obviously it's got creases in it. If you were that way inclined, you definitely want to iron it. I'm not that way inclined because I'm just not that fussed. But obviously it's been creased up, but you could definitely iron it. I suspect it will drop within a couple of weeks and I won't care that much. But yeah, I think it's great. It's got the perfect length. I also want to show you, these are a bonus feature which I got. These are separately. These are like little clips. And if you're concerned about water splashes on the floor, which we've had a problem with, your curtain just slides into these clips and you can put them anywhere you want. They're adhesive, but they've got this little thing here. And yeah, it really does a good job of holding in the curtain so it stays flush to the wall, and it does a fantastic job. No issues. I heartily recommend getting hold of these. I've also got one of these things as well for splashes. I'm a bit paranoid about splashes and water damage. That's just an aside as well. But obviously we're here for the curtain. I absolutely love it. Nice thickness. Again, unless you're pressing your body to it, you might see an outline, but you're not going to see any nakedness through the curtain. I think it's really fab. I really like it. So, absolutely would buy it again. I'll probably buy the other colours and things as well throughout the year, so you can sort of decorate seasonally a little bit in your bathroom, which is a bit underrated. So yeah, I really like it. I'll give it a big thumbs up.